Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have another DIY video for you guys. So my car came with the bass audio system with no center speaker, so I figured I'll do a center speaker upgrade. So this is the speaker we will be installing today. This is the actual speaker, some wiring, some screws and brackets, and a decorative horn. And what you'll be doing for the job is a screwdriver with a Torx bit and a pry tool. And if you're interested in an upgrade like this, I will also be putting the link in the description below, and these parts could also be bought separately, so the link will be in the description below. But for now, let's get to the install. And now with the speaker connected, let's just test if it works. And it does work. I could also feel the vibrations from the bass. So these cables, they will connect to the amplifier under the passenger seat, and the cables will then run in the carpet in here and up the center console and up to where the center speaker is going to sit. So we're going to have to remove this carpet, this part of the trim, and this part of the trim. So let's do that first. So we'll start off with removing this part of the trim. And disconnect it. And now we'll remove the upper part. And the front carpet, so we can feed the cables through. So now we have these three parts removed. We can start off with the installation process. So we'll start off in the back with the cables. So we'll start now with connecting the cables to the amplifier. Now that we have the cables connected, we want to push these cables to the front. have the cable up front. We will run the cable in there, up here, and to where the speaker is going to sit. Now get your brackets. And your speaker. Connect it. Only thing we have left now is the decorative horn, but we'll do that last. Before we do that, we are going to be putting everything back together. And and before reinstalling the carpet, just make sure that the cables are inside the tunnel so they don't get squeezed in. And now we have put everything back together. So we'll do the last bit, which is installing the horn. So there you go, guys. That was that for this DIY. And I must say, this horn really makes the car feel much more upmarket. And the sound coming from the speaker really is high quality. So I really do recommend this product for anyone that has a Volvo like mine with the bass speakers. So that was that for this video. I will be putting the link in the description below for anyone that's interested. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.